Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes channel. I'm Emma. I'm so happy you are here.
Yes, hello friends. Welcome to our English learning family. I'm John.
Today, we're going to teach you something very simple, very useful. How to introduce yourself in English.
And before we start,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
it really helps us and it makes us smile.
A lot. Introducing yourself is the first step in any conversation.
Yes, if you know how to introduce yourself, you can talk to anyone,
At school, at work, in a new city.
or even at the airport when someone says hello.
So today, we'll practice a natural, simple conversation you can copy. Let's start with the basics. A simple introduction has 3 parts. 1, your name. 2, where you're from. And 3, what you do.
Easy, right?
Very easy, and we will show you examples. Okay, John, let's pretend we're meeting for the first time.
Sure. Ready?
Ready?
Hi, I'm John. What's your name?
Hi, John. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. How about you?
I'm from New York.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a content creator. See? Very simple.
Super simple. Anyone can do this.
Let's explain each part.
Hi, I'm John. This is the most natural way to say your name.
Don't say, myself, John.
Yes, please don't. That's a very common mistake.
Just say, I'm plus your name.
Easy.
Easy. Now you try.
Yes, say your name out loud.
Ready? Both say, hi, I'm.
Great job.
See? You're already speaking English. Part 2. Where you're from.
You can say, I'm from England. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Turkey.
Very simple.
Don't say, I belong to. That sounds unnatural.
Yes. Just say, I'm from. Let's give a more natural example.
Good idea.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hey, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. What about you?
I'm from London.
This feels friendly and real, not robotic.
Yes, try to sound relaxed. Now, part 3. What you do.
You can talk about your job or what you're studying. Examples. I'm a student. I'm a photographer. I'm a designer. I work in a bank. I study computer science.
Don't make it complicated.
Keep it short.
Okay, let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a designer.
I work in a company.
Great job.
Amazing, you're learning fast.
Let's do a longer version.
A real-life example.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from London.
Oh, that's cool. What do you do?
I'm a content creator. Actually, I make English videos.
Oh, really? That's awesome. I'm a teacher.
Nice. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. It's fun.
Great to hear. See? Simple but friendly.
This type of conversation can happen anywhere.
Let's practice some useful phrases.
Repeat after us.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from.
What do you do?
I'm a.
These are your best friends for introductions.
Use them every day.
Let's do a fun activity.
Imagine you're meeting us for the first time. I'll ask you a question, you answer out loud.
What's your name?
Good.
Where are you from?
Nice.
What do you do?
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Myself, John.
Correct. I'm John.
Mistake 2. I am belongs to New York.
Correct. I'm from New York.
Mistake 3. I am doing job.
Correct. I have a job or I work. Let's do a quick practice.
Repeat after us like you're talking to a friend.
Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from...
Cool. What do you do?
I'm,
Perfect.
You're becoming confident.
Let's quickly review key words from today. I'm.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from...
What do you do?
I'm, These phrases are simple, but powerful.
Use them every day to improve your English.
Thank you so much for watching.
You did amazing today.
Now tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself in English?
We will reply to your comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
See you in the next lesson.